Hey, what's up, guys? So, good morning from Port Zouad. I got here yesterday from Ismail, and before I start this new episode, I would like to give you a little taste of what I have been through for the last few days.
Very good.
Very good, yeah?
Very good. This is very good.
You Suez finish, yeah?
You Suez finish.
Yes.
Yes. You Suez finish. Okay now?
Ah, yeah, encore. Tunnel.
Correct. Là. Là. عندي جنب الثاني. Yes Suez.
Okay. شكرا.
شكرا.
Alright, guys, so I just met my man Mohab, maybe half an hour ago. So tonight I'm gonna sleep with Hassan. Shukran Habibi. Yesterday when I got in, I think it was Port Said, because here there is two cities next to each other, and to cross to another city you have to take a ferry. The ferry is about like 5 minutes. So one city is in Africa and the other city where I am right now is in Asia. Really interesting, right? I'm gonna show you later on in a deeper way. Anyway, when I got here yesterday, I met Mohab, who was working in the stadium. I told him what I was doing, I just met him, so we start to speak. I told him that I was traveling around Egypt by foot and hitchhiking, and I didn't have any place to crash, to sleep. And he told me, dude, I got a place for you. One of his friends was living in a garage, so they have a house, and he have a garage where he's doing some art, some really nice stuff. I think in about a few days I'm about to upload a video to share with you what they are doing. So this is where I am, in the garage. And he brought me here, and I met so many nice men doing some cool stuff, music, working on some really nice craft, So it was definitely enjoyable to be in an immersion here with them and to see their lifestyle, I could also spend the night. I'm gonna show you where I slept yesterday, right now. So this is where I slept yesterday. I want to give a thanks because I was so lucky to meet Mohab, who could bring me to his friend place. So yes, thanks to Mohab. I had such a great time, We had some great conversation. I think yesterday we were around like maybe 10 people coming, So it was definitely nice. And the idea for today will be to keep on traveling through the coast. So I think the next stop for me will be Damiette, and from Damiette I would like to go to Alexandria, which was a city I have been 4 years ago. What is funny for me to travel in Africa, in the north part of Africa, people think I come from Sudan, or some people think I am an Ethiopian. So I have a deeper experience, I have a deeper immersion, because I can just walk, wherever I want. Nobody will disturb me, Some people will ask me to help them, so it's definitely nice. Yesterday I was walking, in the morning, and somebody called me and asked me to help him to open the shop. So that was definitely a nice experience. I cannot record my shot as I want because it is a different world, I need to be aware. I don't want to get robbed also, and people have a different contact with the camera. Some people don't like at all to be recorded. Yesterday I could get some nice shot, because I was with some teenager and they were open-minded, and they did understand I was making some vlog.